Welcome to the first devlog of Stellar. So basically, I created this application for small businesses to track their inventory, track how many items they've sold, stocked up on, and the list goes on and on. So I'm basically 75% done with the app, but I just started to do these devlogs for fun so I could share with you all on what I'm doing and how I'm processing this and basically my mindset behind this application. So I did create a website, stellarinsight.app, that you could go to. I'll link it in the description. It's an overview. I mean, if you're a developer, you've probably seen this template. So I am using Next.js for this front-end website, and for the app itself, I'm using Expo and React Native. So here are some sample pictures. These are actual pictures from the app. And so right here, as you can see, you have the main screen where you could edit the items, how much stock you have, which is the quantity, and the price of the item. And let's click the next one. Okay, and then we have the analytics page. So this is basically the selling point, which is the analytics. It tells you what a person did in your company, and it graphs it out for you visually. So that one is this page is currently under development. I'm trying to figure out a way on how to make my own data tracker, basically, for this graphing feature. I did find the React API to use, but I'm having trouble with it. So right here, as you can see in the activity log, you could sort by, if you want today, you could sort by last week, by month, year, or all of them. And this gear icon is basically a filter if you want to filter out what item has been deleted today or last week. And there's a bunch of filters that you could go through. And so right here, I've added some more. I need to update this picture. So right here it says the item name. Let's see if I can zoom it in. Right here it says me, this is my name, deleted an item. And that's all it says until you click the drop down arrow. And then it says the item name, what I added or deleted, the asset number, and then timestamp when it happened. Let's go to the next one. So whenever you click on the edit item in the main inventory screen, you're brought to you with simple edits. So whenever you edit an item, it goes back to here saying I have edited an item, which item I edited, and what have I edited. That's a lot of words. And to hide this picture right here, because sometimes it could get full, you would click this down arrow. So this down arrow collapses the image and it brings up extra modules that you've custom made. So you could confirm the edits, the asset number. The asset number has to be, there's requirements, there's specifications to, like, you can't have the same item with the same asset number. And then right here we have the profile screen. The profile screen, it got a little bit updated, but not that much. I finally created the free subscription, the basic subscription, and the pro subscription. I'll show you all that in probably a next video. But right here you have the company members. Company members, in order to join a company, you have to have a basic subscription. On the back end side, it says, hey, I'm an admin with a basic subscription, and then it will show up a business ID. So with the business ID, you could then send it to one of your coworkers, one of your employees, basically. And from there, they'll enter in the business ID, which they could then see and edit your items. Of course, there's going to be basic permissions where you could edit as an admin on the account. So right here under company members, it would say my name, probably let's say John Doe. It'll have remove and edit. So I still need to create that feature, but that's in mind. You can edit the profile, change your password, and then the logout is down here whenever you scroll down a little bit. And for the upgrade, I am using Stripe to do the API endpoints, which I still need to implement. Right here we have something I call the Stellar Query. It's basically my own query programming language, which you could sort through custom-made properties as well as the quantity and the price. So your product for sure is going to have a quantity and a price. And so you could query through with this little special symbol. The app price is less than $13.99. And it will pull up anything that's under $13.99. Or you could do an advanced query, which could do quantity is greater than 5 and the price is less than 12. There's going to be more to come in documentation on this specific programming language I'm working on. I'm just trying to make it as intuitive as I can and sophisticated so small businesses could have all the all the power on the phone. On this website, why choose Stellar? Comprehensive inventory management, quick product addition, actionable insights, powerful search tool, which is SQT, the Stellar Query Tool. And I also need to add that you could actually invite people to basically work for you and manage your inventory for you. And then this is the inspiration on how I got it. And then of course you could do the waitlist for Stellar. You could put in your email, and I'm using MailSender as an API backend. So whenever you add your email and join the waitlist, you're sent this email saying, welcome to Stellar, and basically saying stay tuned. In the meantime, feel free to visit the website to learn more on how to use Stellar and make sales efficiently. So now this is going to be the code. I am using, of course, React Next.js for the front end, and also for the back end. I mean, not the back end, but the app itself. I'm going to be using Expo and React Native, which I will probably show in the next video if y'all are interested in that, and basically my thoughts behind it. So with this code, I try to basically use a bunch of components and try to separate everything into its own component, you know, all the React stuff. I got halfway done with it. We have why choose us, inspiration, call to action, and then I need to shrink this a little bit more, the links, create it more, be more dynamic. So here is some of the analytics that I came across. I'm using Google Analytics as an API, and then Snapchat ads. Since it is an iPhone-based app and designated for phone usage, sooner or later I thought about incorporating my own little device that's gonna have a standard cost, but of course you need to have a basic plan in order to use that device. Your own barcode scanner on the spot at a small event or for your business needs. So here are some of the reports too. I stopped running the ads because I was getting not that much click rate happening, or not the click rate. Everybody was looking at the main website, but they weren't interested in going to more in depth into the application itself, like going to the features tab. I did not show you all this earlier, but here's the features. It tells you a brief description on each of the screens. So we have the inventory screens right here. Whenever you're adding or editing items, the analytics page, the SQT with its own programming fields, and the advanced version of the SQT. And then of course we have fun facts, because I don't like boring websites that just go straight to the application. I tried to make it as fun as possible for the customers. And next we have the contact. In the contact, you would put your name, your email. You'll check this box, and then it'll send you an email, a little ticket that is created for me to see if you were to contact me more about Stellar opportunities. This is the Stellar landing page for now. It's the waitlist for Stellar. Sooner or later, I am going to try to finish up some bug fixes in the code for the application itself, or just release it whenever there's a little bit of bugs, so I could get more user feedback during the trial runs of this application. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this landing page, the StellarInsight.app. If y'all are interested in seeing the app itself, I am going to create a video sooner or later on the application, so I could show you a live demo of the product and just go through it in depth on how I created it and my mindset behind it. But feel free to comment anything. Anything helps. You could go to StellarInsight.app to visit this page and see for yourself. But yeah, thank you.